conveyor.
Good.
สวัสดีครับเพิ่งเช่ามอเตอร์ไซค์ครับปลายนะครับพี่ครับน้ำตกนี่เขาเรียกว่าอะไรครับหมอกฟ้าครับหมอกฟ้าครับครับคุณครับCrikey, mate, we're deep in the Thai jungle right now. We're at the Motorbikes Waterfall. Make sure you beware of slippery. It's about time he puts his butt where his mouth is. It's time. I've been an absolute menace tonight so far, so we're gonna eat some menacing food. Listen here, maggot. อันนี้ภาษาไทยเขาเรียกว่าอะไรครับจักแด้จักแด้จักแด้ครับขอจักแด้30 บาทครับเผ็ดไหมครับ
ไม่เผ็ดค่ะ
ไม่เผ็ด
มีซอสมีเป็นซอสอย่างเงี้ยค่ะโซยาซอส
ได้ครับ
แซ่บหลายเด้อพี่น้องบ้านเรา
แซ่บหลาย
แซ่บไรอันนี้
แซ่บหลายนะครับ
แซ่บอีหลี
แซ่บอีหลีภาษาลาว
แซ่บเอ้ยรู้จักเลยแซ่บอีหลีเด้อพี่น้อง
เป็นถุงไหมครับ
ไม่ใส่ครับ
อันนี้ก็อร่อยนะคะอันนี้แมงสดิง
cricket
yeah cricket
nice time for the maggots the grubs
แซ่บตัวนะ
okay it's oily because it's fried it's stir fried with like herbs garlic it's crispy and salty and garlicky and good and herbaceous. It's actually really good. If you gave it to me and you didn't tell me it was maggots, I would not know. Not at all. It's starting to wear on me a little. It's time.
Wow.
It's getting a little,
Alright.
getting a little much.
Alright.
Okay, you got the falafel going right here and the pita bread right on the gas burner. That's how you do it. You toast it up and warm it up right on a gas burner. No pan, nothing. This is gai, aka chicken, parsley, fresh kimchi, Thai style, red onion, carrot, hummus, and you can just see the olive oil. Look at the olive oil just floating. Look at the oil just floating in the hummus. Cucumber, tomato, and these tomatoes are literally juicing. It's so red. So the warmed up pita, fresh tomato, falafel, cucumber, more falafel, carrot, more falafel. Oh my god, that's how you layer it. Layered falafel cup. Red onion, more falafel. Oh my god, kimchi.
ใช่
คนแกงเก่งมาก
จะได้แบบกัดทุกคำแล้วโดนฟาลาเฟลค่ะ
Oh my god. Tahini sauce. Ari, where you at? Shout out to my twin sister. She would be in her glories right now.
Absolutely fiend for the falafel.
This looks like the best falafel I'm ever about to eat right now.
Ari, Zico's falafel fiend.
Just topped off with everything. More tahini sauce.
Beautiful.
ค่ะ
Oh, holy shit.
I told you. Time to actually try this after watching her assemble it like an absolute pro. Oh my god. I already know that there's tahini sauce all over my face, but it just tastes like the falafel I had in Rhodes, Greece, which is, we called it crack sauce because the tahini, I know, the tahini was so addicting that we called it crack sauce. This is so good. The fact that she layered it makes all the difference. So you're not just getting bites of veggies or bites just falafel, you get like everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Give me another bite. Ah. Queen Falafel, Thai walking street, Thailand. Right near the skate shop. เขาเรียกว่าอะไร Lightning skate.
Need a bag?
กินมะพร้าวสด2 ลูกครับ
Perfect.
มะพร้าวไทยแลนด์มันจะหวานมากครับ Oh my god. That is the coldest coconut I've ever drunk in my life. Coconut flesh to the max. Holy shit. That's more than I thought.
You're killing me, bro. Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
we hopping on the motorbike. You have your board?
Yeah.